Hey foodies, today we're making something seriously fun. Gluten-free mozzarella stuffed bread bombs. Imagine golden dough on the outside brushed with garlic butter, and when you tear one open, perfectly melted cheese inside. The best part? No yeast, no waiting, and they come together so easily using Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour. These are perfect for sharing, dipping, or honestly just eating straight off the tray. Let's get baking. And as you can see, it's just a few simple ingredients. I've got Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour blend here. I've got some baking powder and salt. And I'm just going to give that a light mix. And I'm using a stand mixer here, but if you want to use it just in a bowl, that's fine too. I just find the stand mixer is a little bit easier. And then I'm going to add some yogurt. And Greek yogurt is fine, regular yogurt is fine, just don't get the sweetened stuff. There we go. And now we just mix it all up. Just 60 seconds in this mixer and it is done. It looks great. Just gonna take the paddle out. And let's take dough out. Oh, that's nice. It's a little tiny bit sticky. So I am going to cut this into 8. There we go. And let's see. 2, 4, 8. And I'm going to roll up each ball, just like so. Okay, so I've got my first one here, and I'm going to flatten that out as much as I can. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of flour on my counter just to keep this from sticking too much. There we go, lifting up. That's pretty good. So I've flattened it out to about 3 or 4 millimeters or a 1/4 inch thickness. And I've got some mozzarella cheese here. And I'm going to cut a chunk off. And try and squish it a little bit. Get rid of those sharp edges. Not that mozzarella cheese really has a sharp edge. A little bit more. Now we're just folding in all the edges. There. And that is one of them done. I can just feel the cheese in some of the parts of this ball. There we go. I'm going to pop that onto a cookie sheet here, and I'm just going to finish the rest. So these are going to go into my preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. So these have just come out of the oven. They've been sitting for maybe 3 minutes or so. And I've got some melted butter, garlic, and minced chives. And I want to brush the tops and the sides with the melted butter. Oh, it smells so good. You can see some of the cheese is oozed out. That's looking nice. I tried this with not mozzarella, with cheddar for the first time, and they were really good. So I'm sure you could use a different cheese than mozzarella if you're not a mozzarella fan. What I'm looking forward to with the mozzarella is the stretchiness of the cheese. That's looking good. Hopefully I've got enough butter here. I've certainly got enough chive and garlic. Oh yeah, I've got enough butter. So these are best served warm, obviously because you want the cheese to be all melty. But let's break into one and see. Oh, look at that. That oozing cheese. Nice and golden on the bottom, gooey on the middle. If you're looking for the recipe, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. Thanks for watching.